Hi, my name is William Kjell Fjørnsen and I am a startup semester student at SCET. I usually study at the Technical University of Denmark in Copenhagen. This semester is a unique opportunity because of all the people you get to meet and the opportunities you get access to.
Hello, I'm Elisa. I'm a startup semester student at SCET from Hong Kong Baptist University. This semester at Berkeley is a unique opportunity for me because I get to immerse myself into a brand new environment to learn knowledge and also make friends from different cultures.
Hello, I'm Jacob. I'm a startup semester student from Universidad Politécnica de Valencia. I'm here because this is a great opportunity for me to meet people, enjoy the ecosystem, and have a new experience. So something unique here in Berkeley is diversity and the fact that there are no boundaries between the professor and the students, so you feel really free to share projects. Also, it's like an amazing opportunity to meet people related with your project, so I think that is the most important thing for me.
Something unique about UC Berkeley is the people that you meet, the courses you can take, and all the competitions you can be a part of. They really let you try out new things that you wouldn't have been able to otherwise.
Diversity must be the most unique and the best thing in UC Berkeley. It has research and majors in all aspects, hundreds of hubs, and also students from different racial, religious, cultures around the world.
So I think my favorite course here is the Plastify the Planet because you have the chance to work with real companies and in real projects, and we are trying to solve real problems. So I think that this is like my favorite course.
The class that I am enjoying the most right now is Innovation for X. It's a class where you work in project-based teams and the students are incentivized to bring in their own projects and then try them out to see if they have any merit as a business. I think this is really good for any student to try, because then they get a taste of entrepreneurship without taking all the risks there is of doing it when they're done with university.
I love the challenge lab I take this semester named Alternative Meats Need Finding. This class takes place on the grass with sunshine and breeze. We also have some activities like hiking, hands-on lessons. I really enjoy the lively atmosphere of this class.
So my main motivation to come here is first of all learn, of course, meeting people, be part of this ecosystem and live the experience.
My main motivation to come to Berkeley and the Startup Semester program is to expand my network and get access to a lot of people that can really help me in my startup and also in my future career.
I'm personally really interested in entrepreneur and also sometimes have my own idea, but lacking some professional knowledge about how to start up a business. So I want to develop my business concept. That's why I'm here. I'm now working on a web-based product for users to create and send personalized animated message to ease the difficulty of keeping in touch with professional connections. It's really fantastic that different major people come up with a new business idea together and try to work it out.
So nowadays I'm working on my own project. It's called Agora, and we create new objects. For us, we create the object of the future. You can customize your own objects, like for example your backpack, furniture, and it's a reusable system. And Berkeley for me is they are really support me in this project. So
the project that I am working on right now is centered around detecting diabetic foot ulcers before they become a serious issue through smart socks. I really like this project because it's a way to solve a fun design challenge while having a positive impact on the world if I succeed.